Time now for Jennifer Kasnabas and this week's Motor News.
You know the expression, two heads are better than one? Well, judging by its latest rear-end crash study, it appears General Motors believes in that saying as well. Rear-end crashes account for 28% of all vehicle collisions. To help reduce these numbers, GM has combined two of the newest crash avoidance technologies and is now testing them on public roads. The first technology to be used is called forward collision warning. This uses a loud audio tone and a warning light on the vehicle's head-up display to alert a driver when he or she is approaching a slow-moving car. The second system is called adaptive cruise control. Using the same sensors as FCW, the system will again detect a slower vehicle ahead, but uses the cruise control system to automatically maintain a constant distance between the two cars. While neither system is new, this is the first time that they've been tested together in the real world. The study will utilize 78 randomly selected Michigan drivers from ages 20 to 60 over a 10-month period. In other news, the long-awaited BMW 5 Series is on its way to the U.S. With an all-new all-aluminum suspension and chassis, this Bimmer is sure to please. Other new features include active front steering, active roll stabilization with run-flat tires, and the iDrive control system with an optional head-up display. Prospective buyers will have a choice of either a 2.5 or 3-liter inline-six, or you can opt for the bigger 4.4-liter V8. All engines come with either a 6-speed manual transmission or 6-speed Steptronic automatic. Pricing is not yet available, but expect to see the brand new 5 Series in the U.S. sometime in October. And that's it for this week's Motor News.